Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming to the super cool product. We saw this at NAB show, and I believe we interviewed the folks there at NAB show, so be sure to check that out. This is from gosun.to. These guys make these portable solar ovens. I've always been intrigued by. At one point I saw their management, I believe it was, proving the value and worth of their portable Go. They were traveling across America using their solar cookers, and wow. Sure enough, they kicked butt with them. I was pretty amazed. So this is their Go portable oven. It's fairly inexpensive. It's their most portable solar oven ever. It uses the sun in an ultralight solar cooker that can bake, roast, steam, and boil anywhere. We even use this to boil water. So if you want to make coffee when you're camping, you need to boil some water up. This does pretty good if you don't have like a fire handy. And it takes about 30 minutes to boil the water, about 45 minutes to make most meals, depending upon how much sunlight you have. The solar cooking in the clouds are cold, no problem. The way this whole thing works with the tube and the different solar panels is basically you're using it like a magnet on ants, and you're just bouncing that sun into that hot coil in the middle and heating everything up, warming it up, cooking it, and it's pretty amazing. I made eggs in like 45 minutes, scrambled eggs, on an 88 degree temperature day. So pretty cool. It weighs about 2 pounds. It's easy to pack up. The max temperature is 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooks most meals in 20 or 30 minutes. Boils 14 ounces of water. You can use this with hiking, boating, beach, experiments, just any time where you want to warm up some food or maybe boil some water. I think having one of these would be good to have just for disaster relief, in my opinion. They are one of their bigger models because, like I've had friends that were caught in Puerto Rico after the hurricane. Fortunately, they had water filtration systems where they could take the nasty water that had been infected or whatever, and they could boil it and clean it. And so this would be probably a great way to do some of the same if you're out of power and gas and everything else. So anyway, I'd highly recommend it. Be sure to go to their website, gosun.to. Tell them Chris Voss saying, Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved, and we'll see you next time.